So now I've compressed the clay in the bottom of the bowl, and I've compressed the clay at the rim. It's time to throw. Now, another word for that is pinching and pulling, because that's what throwing really is. You're pinching the clay on the inside and the outside with equal pressure and pulling up at the same time. The clay doesn't have any other place to go but up. This is a process that you want to keep the least amount of surface area on your fingertips. So I'm just using my middle finger with each finger on each side to support it. Middle fingers inside and out. Notice that I've tilted my body over so that I can see inside and outside at the same time. And this arm goes down into the bowl in a real natural way. If your wrists are bent and crooked like this, that's because you're over the top of the bowl and you're not going to have any power. If you get your body out of the way, your left hand's going to be a lot more relaxed, and your right hand is going to be resting on the splash pan in a way that helps you support. You don't have to use the muscles in your shoulder. You don't have to use the muscles in your wrist and elbow. You're using the muscles in your elbow and shoulder. Now, how tall does the bowl need to be? We're making cereal bowls, so we want the profile of the bowl to be pretty tall. So I'm going to throw at least 4 pulls, enough that when I put my hand down here, it's as tall as my hand with my fingers or my hand and my thumb. Another way to say that is about 4 inches. Notice that the rim is really the thickest place. It needs to be at least the thickness of your bottom lip before we start the next step. Show how to compress the clay. And then equal pressure on the inside and the outside with fingertips right across from each other as you pinch and pull. Now, if the top gets wobbly, compress it again, trapping your finger and thumb, pushing down at the top, and you just hold it there until that straightens out. Start again. Equal pressure inside and out. Fingertips right across from each other.